Alright guys, this is my dad's 1997 Yamaha Abla Banshee. We actually just got it back together last night. Got it running. We were having a little issue for a little while. Throttle cable was stuck. You know, where it splits off into the Y end of there. It's actually bore 10 over, Abla. True Abla, not just some wannabe. I don't know too much. Jugs are poured and polished, aftermarket carbs, huge jet, and an air filter. Just did the frame yellow, swing arm black, exhaust red. He's actually got new Abla stickers coming in for it. I actually got feed locks all the way around. Don't have them on now because he likes these tires. Damn, she sounds good. Of course, that blue axle. Banshee don't have it. Bicycle pistons. Expensive ass shit. FMF Cold Series all the way back. Been powder coated. That long lasting effects. Clearly she's not running right, although I did just fire her up though for the first time today. That's her. Just got her back on the road.